Hi everyone, so today one more unboxing from Temu. I continue ordering stuff from there, and yeah, I like the delivery, fast delivery, and the quality also not bad if you read reviews and check the sellers before ordering something. So let's unbox it and see what is inside. So first one, it's actually a special t-shirt, and yeah, I have one already. I like it for fishing. It's very light and it's not yeah, uh, it's very comfortable to your body, and I ordered like one more for sea fishing. It's L size, and yeah, it covers your face, it covers your head, and yeah, I like also the quality of it. I like the feeling of this material. It's very nice one, I would say. And yeah, when you on a sunny, when the weather is sunny, it's pretty, yeah, comfortable, and it dries very quickly if you under the rain, or yeah. And it covers you from sun, your head, your face. You can cover your face. So it cost me around $8 on Temu, and as I said, I already have one like this. I just ordered one more. So yeah, this one will be for sea fishing. Very nice one. And let's see what next I have. Well, actually, this is a special mount for GoPro camera. You can put it on your neck. I want to try it. I have another mount, so I want to try how this will work. I think it can be useful, and maybe it will be even more comfortable. This one cost me, I think, around $12 on Temu. The brand is TELESIN. You can see it here. It has some instructions inside how to mount your camera, and yeah, the mount itself. Okay, it feels very durable. Okay, you see, nice, but it's pretty heavy, I would say, if you put it around your neck. I don't know how many grams it has, but it's pretty, yeah, I would say it feels heavy. You see, and then you put your camera here. It's flexible, so you can change the angle, how it's mounted, and yeah. Also it has this one. Yeah, I like the quality and the feeling. It's very, you know, very soft. Feels very soft. And actually you can very easy take it off when you're filming. Nice one, I like it. I will try it. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more unboxing like that.